Hi everyone, in this video I'll show WhatsApp deleted messages recovery, WhatsApp deleted chat recovery. If you want to recover or restore WhatsApp deleted messages or chat, so let's see how to do that. So in this I can show many ways. You can follow my all ways. So let's see how to do that. Right top corner, 3 button option, click on it. Choose and open settings. You can see chats, theme, wallpapers, chat history, open it. Choose chat backup, open it. So first of all open Google account, and in this you can choose and select your Google or Gmail account, or you can see add account. In this you can easily add your Gmail or Google account. After choose and select your Gmail or Google account and then go back. You can see frequency, open it, and in this you can see daily, weekly, monthly, only when I tap backup or disable. In this time you can choose your need option. I can choose only when I tap backup option. Go back. After that you can choose backup option, click on it. After backup your WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats, you can remember backup your chats and media to your Google accounts storage. You can restore them on a new phone after you download WhatsApp on it. And in this time I can show another way. Minimize it and go to your Google Play Store. Google Play Store, open it. You can see recover deleted messages. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it, and in this you can see chat, document, image, video. So in this you can choose and open chat. In this I can see or read my all deleted WhatsApp messages or chat, recover or restore in this here, and then open it. And in this way you can easily recover or restore or read your deleted WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats, or WhatsApp deleted messages recovery or WhatsApp deleted chat recovery easily. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.